This is a demonstration of the ease and simplicity of the installation of a Dyna Flo floating pump. The Dyna Flo can be fitted with almost any centrifugal pump. The single 36-inch cylinder will raise the pontoon for easy mobility. The pontoon is equipped with a handrail for operator safety also. The pontoon can be adjusted forward or back to keep the pump floating level in the water. Pontoons come in 16, 20, and 24-inch thick to allow for proper buoyancy for various pump weights, 40 horsepower to 150 horsepower. The tires then retract out of the water and can be lowered for quick and easy removal for service to the pump or rough weather predictions. The leveling jack, the air vent, vacuum breaker, and also the right-left discharge are all standard features on the Dyna Flo floating pump. A handy cord hanger helps manage the power cable. Each pumping unit comes with guide cables that anchor back to shore to keep the pumping unit stable. As with all Dyna Flo products, they are designed with the operator in mind. Commonality of parts helps keep the costs down, but assures efficient operation and long-lasting use for the operator. Call Dyna Flo Pump for all your water handling needs. We can help.